Hi friend, my name is Suresh Reddy. Now I am doing the fourth experiment, TCP transfer control protocol. This is the fourth experiment. In the fourth experiment, the first one is capturing a bulk TCP transfer for a computer to a remote server. This one I am doing now. The first experiment in fourth one. These are the TCP that we have done these are the browser links which I have already done in the browser. See, these all I have done, and also this is the link which I have uploaded a page of TCP workshop file. You have now transferred the copy of as I have done. This is the screenshot that which I have done already uploaded the workshop file page on the browser. We can see here, congratulations, we have done the copy of alex.txt. We can see here. Now I can open the workshop. This is the workshop which is the TCP capturing packets are going here. These are the capturing of the TCP packets which are going here. These we can see here. These are the capturing the packets, acknowledgement number, daughters, TCP retransmissions, FIN acknowledgement numbers. These all we can see here. Now we can see these all ports FIN. These we can see here like these. All are capturing are going like this. The packets are capturing is not stopped, but the capturing is going like this. These we can see here, capturing of all the packets, statement, data, packets, acknowledgements. These are the sequencing numbers. All we can see here by the one by one. All we are going here. Now we can open the after the without the packets, which are the packets are capturing here. These are the export number of the 1.1 version which we have done in the browser. That one is happening here, that we have successfully done the 1.1 version to 200 of OK text ml. This has done. Now we can go for the browser which has done now that we have doing here. Now we can go for the second experiment, a first look at the capture trace. Now we can start the second experiment, a first look of the trace step. In this experiment we are doing the HTTP recall for a decision in the HTTP. For this is the URL that we have done in this. The packets are capturing here. These we can show here the what is the IP address, TCP and protocols we can show in, we have shown in this workshop. Now it's the TCP of the IP addresses and transfer port number used in the client source transfer. These are the questions I have already done in the see. These are the graphs. These are the questions I have done. Wait. For these I have done the IP address, for this port number, destination which I have already done. For these, see, this is the transmission numbers, the port number. Now I have done already. After this is the also I am starting the third experiment, TCP basics. Now I am doing the TCP basics. We can answer these questions. What is the sequence number of these that I have done here? See, the sequence number of signs 0 by flag that identifying the value is 0x002. These we can see here, sequence number 0 into 002 of sign. We can see here the answers which I have done in this question, basic TCP. Also we can see in the which I have last done the sequence numbers, the sequence number of the port. Also we can see the TCP sequence number, which the sequence number of the signs assignment which I have shown. The fixed 6 segments also we can show here. All these things are we have already done in the POC. This is the post, the sequence number of the first 6 segments. which of the packets, which of the segments. See, these are the packet sequence 1 acknowledgement numbers, these first row service numbers, these are shown here. These packets that I have done in the POC. These all destination ports, relative numbers, acknowledgement numbers, windows, these all the numbers which I have done in the my POC. These which shows the acknowledgement numbers, all like these. Now we are showing these the sequence number 2026. See, we can also 3017250. See, calculated window size. These all are also we can see, we can do by these. For these all we have the consider the TCP segment protocols. Also we have done here. Also what is this TCP round trip time graph. These questions we have done in the see TCP streaming graph. Also we can do now this. This is the streaming graph of the which we have done in the POC round trip. See, we can show this. We have done already. This is the time graph. Time graph we have shown here in the white shop. Also this I have done already. This is the graph for the time trace which is shown in the white shop also. See, this is the round trip timer, and we can, when we on this, the graph will come like this, which is the sequence of ports numbers which having shown here. Like this we can show the graph also for these question. Also these I have done the packets for the 6 packets which I have done in the graph. These are the packets that which shown in the packets that we can show it. Yes, this is the packets which is shown in the acknowledgement number 80. These all things have done there. See, acknowledgement number of the race, sequence numbers, these all we can see here. When we move these all packets will sequence by the numbers like this. We have already done in the POC. Buffer space also, this we can buffer space which is seen in the white shop. Let's see the buffer space of the TCP which is having the windows of 6780, which we have seen in the POC also. Same port which is having here. These all are we can do as much as like this. This is the graph we have shown in the round graph, and the one also we can show the 11 question which is having the port number of this which is having the 1460 bytes. Also the round group graph for all these. The TCP segment is 164097 bytes. These I haven't seen the white chalk. Like this we can show all the things for the transmission time, transmission first, which having the difference, what the output. Like this we can show all the things by the which I have done last time in the POC. This is the format, and the fourth experiment is TCP congregation control in action, which is showing the graph in the white chalk. Now I can show this is the TCP streaming graph. Now I am showing the TCP streaming graph. This is like by the step by steps which is showing that last time I have done in the time sequence graph, which I have also shown in the PM in my POC, is also like this. Now we can show in the white chalk also same like graph. Now I am doing. See, this is the which I have shown in the plotting of tools by sequence. These screenshot which are seen